Before you scroll, watch this. I'm about to show you how to get Google VEO 3 for free for the next 15 months so you can create sexy videos like this one too.
So in order to get Google VEO 3 for free for the next 15 months, this is what you should do. Right now, this is going to also cover if you don't have access to Google VEO 3 from your own location, then this is what you should do. So right now, ensure you switch your location to the US, and you do this by using a VPN. As for me, I'll be using the Windscribe VPN. You can use any VPN of your choice, but ensure that the VPN you are using is a strong one, such as NordVPN and the likes of them. So now install the VPN on your Chrome browser. Ensure it is within the Chrome browser, the browser you'll be using for your Google VEO 3. As for me, I already have it right here. As you can see, I'll just click on it and then I will connect it. But before I connect it, I can choose the location I want and ensure that it is selected to US or any other location that Google VEO 3 is fully accessible from. So I'll just choose the US. So as you can see, my VPN is already connected to Atlanta in the US. The next thing to do is to head over to VEO 3 website. And to do that, just head over to your browser and search for VEO 3, just like this. And this first one that says Google DeepMind VEO right here, just click on it. And it's going to bring you over to the Google VEO 3 interface, and as you can see, they have different models, which is the Gemini model and the try in flow model. So we'll be using the in flow method because this one generates much more better output. Just click on try in flow. So you will now be redirected to this page, and as you can see, this point it says create with flow. All you just need to do is to click on it and then log in with a Gmail account. So what you can do is that you can create a totally new Gmail account for this purpose so as to keep it different from your own main email. So just click on it, and when you do that, you'll be brought over. As you can see, I'm logged in right here. Then you'll be brought over to this point where they say create a project, and then they will tell you to that. And then as you can see right here, they say you must be a Google AI subscriber to be able to generate videos. So just click on this point that says subscribe. But one thing first, ensure that your VPN is connected to a country that has access to Google VEO 3, most especially US. So all you just need to do, mine is connected. Once you click on this point that says subscribe, it's going to bring you over to this point, and as you can see, this is the normal amount for the Google VEO 3 monthly. And as you can see, everybody has access to 1 month free. But now we are trying to get access to that of the 15 month for free. So just scroll down and click on this point that says see all plans, and then scroll down. So as you can see right here, university students get Google AI Pro for free for 15 months. So you will be applying as a student to get Google VEO 3 for free. So just click on this point that says check your availability. So you have access to everything Google AI Pro for free for the next 15 months. So now click on this point that says verify student status. So right here, you need to verify your student's email. So if you're a student in a school, all you just have to do is to put in your student email right here and you have access to Google VEO 3. But if you're not a student, let me show you how you can easily get a student email that you can use. Now, student email always has .edu on it, and let me show you how to get it. So to do that, you can just head over to another tab and then search for 10th mail. You can just search for 10th mail edu, just like this. And it's going to show you different 10th mail platform that gives you access to be able to create students' emails for free. So these are a few of them. You can just use any of them. So I'll be using this first one that says e-10th mail. So a 10th mail gives you access to temporary emails you can use to sign up on the internet. So right here on this 10th mail website, as you can see, they have given me a 10th mail I can use that has .edu on it. So if yours does not have this USA, you can just click on this one that says change domain and you select the one that has USA.edu. Then just copy it like this. As you can see, this is where your inbox will be popping up. Then you go back to Google and then you place it and send it just like this. Verify. And Google is going to send you a code to your 10th mail. So just head back to your 10th mail. And as you can see, verify your student's email address. And this is the code from Google. I'll just get it. And I'll paste it here to verify my status. So can you see you are eligible for Google AI Pro student discounts? Continue to subscribe with student discounts. Just click on continue. So as you can see right here, I can access this from now to the 22nd of September 2026. So all you just have to do right here is to add a card, a working card, so that they can just be able to start your trial. So I just click on add card. So right here, you'll be prompted to add a credit or debit card. So what you just need to do is to add your card details now. Ensure you have a working card that works on Google platform. If you don't have one, you can always use virtual dollar cards. There are a lot of platforms that offer virtual dollar card services. You can check anyone in your country and use that one now. So most of these virtual dollar card service providers that you will be using, they already have all of these details, which is like the card number and all of this thing, and even your billing zip code. You understand? So right here, I'll just input mine and I'll get access to this right now. So I've added my card details right here. All I just do is to click on save card. And as you can see, my card has been saved and it's starting today and it will end next year, 2026. So I just click on subscribe. And guys, as you can see, I have access to Google VEO 3 for the next 15 months. So guys, if you followed me to this point and you already have access just like me, ensure to drop a thank you on the comment section to give me a kudos. So as you can see right here, you have got Google AI Pro, go to Gemini Pro, and guys, this is how you get access to Google AI Pro for the next 15 months. So right now, let me show you how to remove your card from Google so that they don't get to charge you the next year when your subscription has ended. So in order to disconnect your card so you don't get charged when your subscription expires, just come over to your interface right here and click on the one that shows your profile and head over to this one that says manage membership, and right here come to this one that says change payment method. Click on manage. So right here it's going to show you all your active subscription. Select the one that says Google One and just cancel it. Right here just click on cancel subscription. What it's going to do is that it's going to just cancel your subscription for the next one that is coming up, but this current one will still be active. Just click on cancel and whatever, just select anyone. So as you can see, they said my subscription will be cancelled at the end of my billing period, which means this one I have access to will still be active till that time. So I just click on cancel subscription and it has been cancelled. So guys, this is how you get access to Google VEO 3 to create amazing AI videos just like the ones you have been seeing on the internet. So if you enjoyed this video, ensure you click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also talking about video, this is another video that YouTube wants you to watch on my channel. I will see you in that video.